Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quan Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. So, based on a number of requests from our students saying that, sir, please share more Wipro experience video. So, we are here with one of our students, Nitin, who's from Andhra Pradesh, and he recently took up his interview. So, if today is 13th of March 2021, he took up his interview yesterday, that is 12th of March 2021. So, hi, Nitin.
Yeah, hi sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Yeah, fine, sir. Totally fine.
So, Nitin, there is a lot of requests from our students saying, we would like to know more and more questions which was asked in Wipro interview.
Yes.
So, before we proceed, Nitin, we want to know from which branch you are from and from which choice of graduation are you?
Like I did my MTech in VAT, sir. MTech integrated course of
Okay,
in CSC, sir, branch.
CSE branch. Okay, so you had your interview yesterday, that is on 12th of March.
Yeah, it also matched 3 o'clock hours in the afternoon.
3 o'clock you had. And when did you receive the mail from Wipro?
Yeah, I on March 11th, March 11th, I got
11th you received. Do you remember what
four, four,
time?
4 or 5, I think.
4 or 5 o'clock. So,
Yeah,
approximately they give you around 24 hours
yeah,
before.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay. So what about your friends? Even your friends who had interviews, they got a gap of 24 hours?
Yeah, so like my unfortunate plus like in my MS branch, like I was the one who got selected.
Hmm.
And like in other branches like VIT Vellore and VIT AP and VIT Bhopal, they create a WhatsApp group.
Hmm.
So all of them that's got a mail one day before only.
Okay. 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 Super. So we would like to know what were the questions asked to you right from the first question in your interview till the last question in an interview so that students get an idea about what are the type of question asked to a IT student.
Yes. Like I was very like interested in Wipro, like so I was prepared like very well for a Wipro interview.
Hmm.
So from basic I like 3 o'clock I was waiting from 2:15 or 2:30 I was waiting for the ma'am to call me.
Hmm.
So 3 o'clock it started, and like ma'am started to introduce herself. First, she told about what she was doing in Wipro and what's her experience and all,
Hmm.
and she told me to introduce myself also.
Hmm.
And I told her like about myself and my education backdrop and what projects I did in my BTech and at what I am good at
Hmm.
and what are the technologies like I was working on.
Hmm.
And later on, I told her about my family also.
Hmm.
Like
Hmm.
I told, like we are a very big family, and
Hmm.
she asked about, oh, you're okay, you're a very big family. Then where would you all be?
Hmm.
Like I told, we'll be very together in a same clubhouse in a same date community.
Hmm.
So like 2 3 questions went on like families.
Okay.
And the last like main point I need to add like in weakness, like I added like I'm very structured bonded to my family. I told her. Then
No, no.
immediately
But did they ask you what are your weakness?
they didn't answer, but at the last, I told that at last I added my weakness point.
Okay, when they asked you, tell me about yourself,
Yeah,
there you added, huh?
yeah. I told that, ma'am, at last I like my last weakness point. At last I like my weakness point. I
Hmm.
told her that I'm mostly emotionally connected to my family. So if I meet them, I can't come out of it. Then she immediately asked me that. Then how did you relocate to any location and all? She asked.
Perfect, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, she not like that, ma'am. Like my cousins are already working in like good company like Totnigent and Amazon
Hmm.
in other locations like Pune.
Hmm.
So like, that's not a problem. Like if I was in like when I got any holidays and all, like we can meet up. And tell you that if we patch up, like it's difficult for me to come out from it.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
Nice, superb. So after this, but whenever they tell you, introduce yourself or tell about yourself, see through it that, in that 1 minute you make an impression. You don't have to talk about your weakness and all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like I
The
thought.
best things about you, the best things about you.
Yes,
In
sir.
fact, try to tell something like you would like to explore places and all. Why? Because
Yes, sir.
this
Yes.
is
I,
what
I
they're
have I
looking.
have mentioned it. Sir.
Because
Mentioned.
this is what they are looking at the end of the interview. Are you ready to relocate? Are
Yes.
you ready to work overtime?
Yes.
Or whenever there is a need? Okay, how open-minded, open are you to learning? So all these qualities, try to put it in a different way.
Yes. Sir.
Like, are you ready to relocate? So you could, some people who tell that we like to explore more places. So the HR indirectly will get to know, okay, this guy can relocate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct,
Correct.
all these points. Okay, so next time don't tell that weakness uh attached to family emotionally and all. That
Yeah.
is good. Okay, that is
Yeah.
good,
Yeah.
but impression is to be created. And that, tell me about yourself, right? Yeah. So after this, what was the next question which was asked to you?
Yeah, I didn't. She told me that like we'll move on to the technical stuff and all.
Mm-hmm.
And immediately she took my resume, like which was in my campus interaction of it.
Mm.
So she took my resume and she was going on, like I kept all my subjects like DBMS, I kept C, C sharp, Python, Java, and Perl, PHP. So
Mm.
I kept all because I have basics, concepts, and all. Because I
Good.
kept
So
so like,
technically solid.
yeah.
Huh.
Then immediately, ma'am asked me that okay, you are good at all these topics and all. That I told ma'am like I was good at basics, all ma'am, so I can answer the all basic questions. I told.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Nitin, like, can you write down the code of leap year?
Leap year.
Yeah, leap year.
Okay.
Like immediately, I wrote it on a paper, which was here only. Like,
You wrote it on paper or notepad?
no, I told that ma'am, like, can I share the scene and write it on notepad? Then ma'am told, no, note it, like write on the paper and show me. Or otherwise, you can write it and you can read it out. No problem, ma'am told.
Okay.
Like I immediately I took the paper and pen and immediately wrote on the code.
For leap year.
Yeah, and I wrote here only. And it showed like this, like ma'am, this is like I showed like this to ma'am.
Was she able to, can you show me? I mean, whatever you have written in the book. So can I see this? Can we see? Okay. Yeah, we can see. Correct.
And I explained, like ma'am told, it's okay. And immediately ma'am asked me to tell about the Sheffield of depth of arts in both in Python programming. Both in Python. Sheffield a depth of arts.
Okay.
In Python. So immediately I have written it off and I will show it to ma'am.
Okay.
And she asked me after that, okay, and ma'am told to like one second, sir.
Yeah, sure. Take. Even I will find out what was questions asked to others.
And she asked me that like we can print array in Java.
Mm-hmm.
Like I told that we can't print a array directly in Java. I told that, and immediately next question, what is your favorite subject in this MTech career? Like I told her DBMS. Okay. DBMS like my favorite subject. Then why DBMS, ma'am asked. And I explained her. And ma'am asked the components of DBMS. And immediately after that, ma'am told tell about like I mentioned 3 projects in my resume. So ma'am asked me, tell me about your best project you have done in your BTech life. So I explained one which was I well known of to explain. Okay. So immediately I explained all the project based whole project, what are the objective I used, what are the features. Did they ask in depth or did they ask basics? Yeah, like what are questions, like what I'm saying about the project, like immediate next question was coming off. Okay. Like I explained my project on cloud based multimedia protection system. And immediately ma'am asked what is multimedia and what is cloud. So immediately based on what project, so I feel like the project is the main base points. Correct. Actually, yeah, even 2 interviews which we took for Wipro recently, even they told that, sir, with respect to projects, they asked a lot of questions. Yes, the project, because the almost project went on for 10 minutes. Yeah, major part. But in TCS interviews, no, they had even asked for codes of projects. Yes, sir. Yeah. If you are good in project, like I think they would have very good impressions. Okay. Like so we need to say the good project. Like luckily, ma'am asked me to choose my own project. If they ask any other project, like it would be a difficult case. Like ma'am asked me to choose like. Now can you please tell? Yeah, and coming to like the project is what are they telling on the project? Like ma'am is asking the simultaneous question on the project. So we need to be well prepared on projects. What you kept on the resume. Correct. And whatever you tell about the project. Yeah, what you tell about the project should be very important, because immediately next question should be based on what you're saying. Because we need to have a perfect idea. Correct. And based on like in our final part, we need, ma'am asked me that what is your like contribution. Your contribution. Like luckily I singly did that project. Oh, alone. Yeah, alone. Wow, man, superb. So ma'am told me that okay, fine, it's fine. And after that, ma'am asked me that it's all over, and about project, it's the end, and it's the end of technical. Okay. And ma'am asked me about. That's all about technical, nothing else. Yes, like in project, like they would they are like in cloud, what is cloud she asked, and what is multimedia she asked. Okay. And already like in the production system, why like in the multimedia, like some internet things are there, no? like why would you choose this project as you for the final year? And these type of questions were asked.
For others also, they have asked questions like, how will your project help the society? How will it,
But this question,
be
yeah,
full and all?
yeah, this was a bit asked, but I didn't got this question, sir. But she was asking about like why, on the same base of idea only, she was asking like why you choose this project. So production system, like it's already there, but what did the extra points you did?
Okay.
So
Okay.
project, like if I wrote good code or not, also like project claims the most important notes.
Correct. And even to one of our student, okay, they have asked, I am from ENTC student. I'm from Maharashtra, he told. ENTC, I think it is with respect to electronics, right, Nitin?
Yeah, electronics.
All technical questions were based on CCP and OOPS concept, like inheritance, polymorphism. He asked me to write a program to print 1, next line 2, 3, next line 4, 5, 6, next line 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes.
This question was asked, and then they asked him the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. Okay, what is the difference?
Okay.
And then other questions were normal HR question related to relocation, shifts and all.
Yeah.
Okay, so this was asked to a student who's from non-IT branch.
Yeah,
Basic
like mine was totally 35 minutes, sir, because I was seeing the time also. Like my interview starts on 3:10 and it's end on almost 3:48.
Okay. I
Like,
mean, till now, whatever interviews that we heard of students, it was only for 20 minutes.
like ours is a complete different one. So like 20 totally they create a WhatsApp group for us. Like 25 members they send the list. So for 2 to 7, so 12 members they take.
Okay.
2 to 7 it's the time, and they're taking the 12 students batch, which is given to the panel.
Okay.
So based on that, almost 30 minutes or 35 minutes or 25 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then what else was asked after you finished your
Later on, it's ma'am asked that why would you choose Wipro?
But before we continue, Nathan, how many panelists were there?
Two panelists. Like total, actually 45 students selected in our whole VAT, sir. Whole VAT branches in VAT Chennai, Vellore, Bhopal, and AP. So total 45 students got selected for round 2. So for that, who got placed, like 6 to 7 got placed already. So they immediately they told that you should not do the technical interview because you are not eligible. So only 38 students, and VAT AP they have they didn't send the list. So 25 VAT Chennai and VAT Vellore. So 25 students got the. So again 14 of on the other panel and 12 on other panels, 11 on other panel.
Okay, so these two HRs which are there, panelists, 2 panels were there. In each panel, we had 2 HRs.
Each panel is only one HR.
Only one HR. Okay, like this there were 2 panels.
Yeah, 2 panels.
Fine. Okay. Then what else did ma'am ask you after the project?
Ma'am asked me like, why would you choose Wipro as start of your career?
Correct.
I answered it, and ma'am asked me that if you got in my answer, like I told her that it's the third biggest MNC company in India. Like ma'am asked me that if you got the first MNC in India.
TCS or Infosys, huh?
Yeah, TCS or Infosys. Ma'am didn't mention the name, but she asked that if you got the first for India's top company and Wipro, like what would you choose? And like I told her that if for example, like shall I take any Wipro? Like my lucky was like I took the years, like TCS. I know the year when it was started, and Amazon year when it was started, and I know the Wipro when year it was started. So I mentioned the years also. Like Wipro started on some 1968, ma'am, and Wipro on 1945, and TCS on 1968, and Amazon 1994. So because like if you took TCS and Amazon, they are top boomers in booming companies right now. So like TCS from last 30-40 years is booming. Like from Amazon last 5-6 years it was booming. Like Wipro was one of the top company from past decades, ma'am. So like I would choose like to start my career in Wipro, and immediately ma'am laughed that you are very interested to be in Wipro, like as ma'am told me. And later on, ma'am asked me about my relocation and service agreements about time means any shifts you can do.
Hmm.
And any problems for the shifts and all, in night shifts or morning shifts, and the service agreement that you need to do for 1 year, is it okay for you?
Hmm.
Yeah, it's completely fine, ma'am, at all.
Okay.
And ma'am asked me any questions like you're having. Like I asked me any training period would be there,
Hmm.
and she told me that it will be for 3 months,
Hmm.
and after that you will be entering into the main
Process.
project.
Project. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And any questions that you can recollect was asked to your friends?
Yeah, yes, I wrote it. I wrote it also.
Wow. Super.
Yes, like one of my friends, like who did also very well. From he's from Vellore. Like
He's also from CS department.
yeah, he's from CS department.
Okay. Okay.
He's actually from BTech.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, BTech. Yeah, ma'am asked about same. She starts with like his introduction and all.
Same panel. Same
Yeah,
panel.
yeah,
Huh.
same panel. No. Sir. He was in the morning panel. He was in the morning panel. Who was taken by Sar.
Okay. Okay. Huh.
He's in the morning panel.
Hmm.
And morning panel, he told me the questions on like 12 or 12 to 1. He told me the interview has happened to him like 12 to 12:30. Like coming to like normal stuff was first 5 to 6 minutes was over, and immediately he told some runtime polymorphism code. He asked questions.
Hmm. Runtime.
Runtime polymorphism code.
Okay. 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 Huh.
and
Runtime
uh, and
polymorphism.
yeah, and different and tell and can you tell me the difference between compile time and runtime
Hmm.
polymorphism,
Hmm.
and what is exceptional handling also he asked,
Hmm.
and how can you handle exception,
Hmm.
and later on about the abstraction array list, and about the project,
Hmm.
and he asked about the three project systems, and three projects say the features, objectives, and how did you run it.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Of the three projects, three asked, and he went on very good.
Hmm.
And at the last, like in the projects also, what he was saying, like he was completely listening to the project. Like he didn't ask any based on questions. Luckily, he went on clear for three projects, and after that he asked, so like why did you choose this? Why did you choose this one as your core project?
Hmm.
So after all, then after this about the relocation and all.
Actually, it is very important, no, when we narrate something, when we explain something, the way we explain, how systematically we explain, step by step, the way we explain also is creating an impression here.
Yes. Like mostly they're seeing that like we are able to explain it to them or not.
Correct, correct, yeah.
If you are explaining in a simple way, like not like any fear and all, they are becoming very free. Otherwise, they would be telling us like we'll understand like by seeing their expression and all.
Correct, correct. Yeah, yeah. That is what. So it is very important, people, that in the interview, more than what you say, how you say is important. So
Yes,
comprehend well, keep a structure in your mind, keep few points in the mind and keep shooting it. So
yes,
frame a structure in your mind first and then start telling it. Am I right, Nathan?
yes. Like what we know, if we present in an extreme, superb manner, like
Huh,
they'll be well impressed.
correct. Super.
Yes.
So anything else which was asked your friend at the end?
Yeah, he was also asked like about
Huh,
the relocation service agreement,
okay.
and like one of my friend, one of my two friends, like he didn't answer well,
Huh.
like but not
Yeah.
about relocation and all.
I didn't get you. One of your friends, what?
Like he's not my like he is one of the member in the WhatsApp group.
Hmm.
Like I was texting randomly how interview is going on.
Hmm.
So one guy told me that like my interview went very bad.
Hmm.
Like he saw the resume, like and he told me that there is no exact project and there is no exact
Hmm.
objectives and there is no technical skills and there is
Hmm.
no about information about
Hmm. Hmm.
and later on he told her that yeah that's it, 5 to 10 minutes he was done.
Okay.
So I feel that resume was very important. That
Correct.
what you kept in the resume was very important, because
Okay.
seeing the resume only the resume is a question papers mostly.
Correct. Correct. Based on the resume only, your entire interview is fixed.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So thank you very much,
Yeah,
Nathan, for sharing your experience. Anything else you would like to share
yeah.
with?
Like I would like to thank you also, sir. Like I would like from last when I got selected from Wipro Analytics, like when I'm going to write Wipro Analytics exam, like I was following the Quant Masters videos in YouTube like randomly.
Mhm.
like I was shown to my like after I got selected, I followed your videos, and after I got selected on for the first round,
Huh.
you took interview, like you shared some inter experience with one goal also, like if you clear the at round one, almost 90% you're into the company, like with that hope only, like I was keep preparing on many technical questions and coding project and all. So like last like technical sections of 10 hours period also, like 2 days back, like I saw 8 minutes videos, like 60 minutes video of yours. I sharing experience of Maharashtra and those are people also. Like it was very helpful for not only me, like many students. Like I have shared videos like to my group also. Like they are very helpful, sir. I should thank you also.
Thank you. And even your video will definitely be helpful for a lot more of people who are watching
Yeah,
it.
hoping, sir. Hoping.
And we are very thankful
Like
to you.
my last note, like, prepare the resume as perfect you are. Like, is still there a chance? Be prepare on a resume. It's enough.
Correct. So last minute, one golden advice from Nitin is whatever you have written in your resume, if you want to hit a 6 on the last ball, also prepare well on your resume. Am I right, Nitin?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Superb. And Nitin, thank you so much for your words. And even this video will definitely help a lot of students for sure.
Yeah.
And we really thank you for taking up the initiative, coming to us. And you were like, sir, I'm ready to share my interview experience.
Yeah, sure.
So
yes.
We are very thankful.
Like Wipro Analytics would be a easy to secure job who created like a first round, sir. So like it was possible. Like I am very thankful if anyone should if help this video.
Because see, right now, no, there are many students who are still not placed. And if these video series and all, if it helps them getting placed, then we are changing not only the life of that one person, but even his family, his or her family.
Yes.
So definitely you have done a great job. So may the best happen to you, Nitin. Thank you so much again for your time, energy, information, and knowledge which you have shared with us.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, so this was Nitin. I hope you have learned a lot from his interview experience and whatever advices that he has mentioned, please follow it. With this, I wish you all the best. Do share this video with your friends so that, as he told, it will help a lot of students out there. Okay, so take good care of yourselves. All the best for your interview. May the best happen to you people. Take care. Bye-bye.